What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the Manifest Breakers channel. In this video today we have a product that just released. It's 2019 Chronicles Football. MSRP for this box is 120 bucks, and it's probably selling at your favorite online retailer or local card shop for double. For those that don't know what Chronicles entails, it's a mashup of a few products, so it's kind of like a mixed bag. You just don't know what you'll be getting. So that makes it a fun product to rip with a ton of bangers, and I highly suggest getting a box if you can. There are 8 cards per pack and 6 packs per box, so 48 cards in total. On average, you'd find 2 autographs and 1 memorabilia card. And you can find rookies in 17 unique sets, including updates to Score, Legacy, and Luminance. Look for Gala rookies, numbered to 8. And then here are all the cards that you can get from the different sets and what they're numbered to. Alright, cool, let's do it. Pretty box. Okay. First pack. 8 cards. Let's do it. Alright, so that's the base. Javon Kearse, Tennessee Titans. Ooh, bam! Terry McLaurin. It's a thick card, so nice. Rookie patch auto. Crown Royale silhouettes. Sick. Patrick Mahomes to 199. I think this is from Vertex Football. Yeah, these cards are super thin. Jarrett Stidham, Crown Royale, yes. It's a good one. Not numbered. Lamar Jackson, Classics Football. Ravens, super OG, old school looking. Score update, nice, super shiny. Darius Slayton, rookie card. I love it. Nice. Marquise Brown, Gridiron Kings, rookie card. I love the look of these. Super cool. And then Ryan Finley, Panini Football, rookie. Rookie QB. Alright, not bad for the first pack. Okay, let's move on. Hopefully they're all like this. Larry Fitzgerald base, Joey Bosa base, and then, oh, to 99, Mike Alstott, Tony Pollard, Crown Royale, Patrick Mahomes, Classics, QB. Nice, Devin Bush, Luminance update. This is super shiny. I love this. Oh my god, good thing I'm wearing gloves. Okay, so Tom Brady Studio. David Montgomery. Cool. Third pack. Alright. Ooh, I think we got a double already. Terry Bradshaw base. Deshaun Watson. AP, Adrian Peterson for the Redskins. Hometown Heroes to 49. Double relic. I like it. Sick. Okay, Devin Singletary to 99. Panini Football. Easton Stick Crown Royale. John Elway Classics. Another shiny one. Score Football Update. Ryan Finley rookie card. And Tom Brady for the Patriots. And then our duplicate, David Montgomery. Okay. Ooh, some Danny Dimes back here. Marshall Faulk base. David Tyree. This is a thick one. Signature series. And look at that underwhelming signature. DT to 99. Giants. Nice. Mark Brunell, number to 49. Brett Favre. Classics. Aaron Rodgers, Vertex Football. Titan. Terry McLaurin for the Redskins. Look at that. Sick planet back there. Super shiny. I like those. Easton Stick. Panini Football. And Daniel Jones Studio. I like it. Cool. Pack number 5. Alright. Bruce Smith base. Aaron Rodgers base. Darius Slayton. Super shiny card to 171. Super random number. Devin Bush. Russell Wilson Classics. Devin Singletary rookie. Legacy Football, I think. Nice. That one's a shiny one too. Miles Sanders. And Riley Ridley. Rookie Panini. And here we go, our last pack. Alright, so we have Alvin Kamara base, Zeke base, Hunter Renfrow red zone rookie card score, David Montgomery Classics, David Montgomery again Vertex rookie card, and Minshew rookie card Legacy Football. Nice. Miles Boykin, and Nick Bosa. Panini Football. Cool, that wasn't too bad. It was kind of fire in the beginning and then it kind of died down, but not bad. So personally, I like the mix because every card is different. Every time you flip, it feels like a hit. But it might be too much of a mixed bag for me. I kind of feel like I like collecting one set and this is just kind of overwhelming. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you can, go ahead and grab a box to rip yourself. It's pretty fun. Alright, we'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.